Hi there, I'm back with Chatpate Aloo Matar. So, how's it different? It is made with a special masala, the potato is smashed and fried, and there are no onion or garlic in it. Tamarind or imli is added for a punch. Turns out delish. You could have it as a starter or with puri or paratha. Need more reasons? Subscribe to my channel for more such easy recipes. This kadhai is on low heat. I've added a green cardamom, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of sauf or fennel seeds, and dried red chili, and about a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Dry roast. Once it gets a light color and becomes aromatic, turn off the heat and let it cool down. Crush it coarsely. So this is about 300 grams of baby potatoes that I have boiled, and I've left the skin on because these are newly harvested potatoes and the skin is really thin. I'll use a potato masher and just smash them like that. That's all done. Time to shallow fry the potatoes in mustard oil. So a minute on each side and then turn them over. Make sure that they get a light crust on both sides. Yeah, that's a nice color. Take them out. Fry the rest. After frying the potatoes, top up the oil in the pan to make it 2 tablespoons. Once that heats up, temper it with half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Add in chopped green chilies according to taste. Lower the heat, add in 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Once the raw smell goes away, add in half a teaspoon of haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Cook briefly and pour in a tiny bit of water so the spices don't burn. Add in about a teaspoon of chaat masala, hing or asafoetida, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Cook till the oil separates. Add in 2 tablespoons of fresh tomato puree, maybe a bit more, and cook till the oil separates again. Add in a cup of boiled peas. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, share your feedback in the comments, and I'll get back to you. Cook for a minute or two. Add in the potatoes back into the kadhai. Toss to mix with the masala and the peas. Some of the potatoes will disintegrate, that's perfectly fine. I have a bit of tamarind or imli soaking in water, and I'll just take out the pulp and add it into the potato along with about 1/3 cup of water. half a teaspoon of sugar, Kasuri Methi, black salt, regular salt. Mix well. Finish off with the prepared spice mix. Lots of it. Coriander stems, a handful. Time to plate it. Like I said at the beginning, you could serve it as a starter or with puri or paratha and enjoy.